We're here in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, and today we're at Horizon Yachts getting you aboard hull number 1 of the Lexus 680. Welcome back to YachtLens. We're in Kaohsiung, Taiwan on a rainy Tuesday afternoon for an exclusive first look at the long-awaited Lexus LY 680. We are privileged to be joined by Austin Lin, president of Vision Shipyard, part of the Horizon Group, and one of the key people behind this spectacular new build. Austin is going to walk us through and discuss one of the most anticipated yacht debuts of the year. Let's get aboard.
Yes, this way. We step into salon. First, we come to the galley area. We have the dishwasher, trash compactor, the sink, and cooktop under the fold-up countertop. So when you are cooking, you're actually folding everything up. Then you have the galley show up.
Yeah, that's brilliantly thought out and just beautiful.
Yes.
And you feel that Lexus vibe throughout.
Yeah. Talking about Lexus, I think the big Lexus logo on the floor. It's eye-catching stuff. Looks good, but actually it's not easy to make.
I believe it.
Yeah, we need to carefully adjust the height, the carpet, and adjust the softness between the solid wood floor and the very soft carpet. So you need to make sure when you step on, your foot feel comfortable.
But it's that attention to detail.
Yes, like this. So even the table, we have a big Lexus logo underneath.
You feel it throughout.
Yes, yes.
But it is absolutely stunning. And
Yes.
the big windows and all the natural
Big
light.
windows, and they have a special design, the ceiling with all this fluent, nicely LED lighting surround. And they smartly integrate the aircon outlet in the ceiling. So you don't see a louver. Normally you can see from both sides. Everything is designed and hidden, but just the function. This is specially designed and supplied by Toyota from the Lexus.
Really?
Yeah. See all the detail in the line and the diameter of the hole. They are all different with their meaning. So this is the consistency from the Lexus spirit. So even in the curve, you have this detail. And we have the backlight. So in the evening, actually you can see the light like a star in the evening.
Yeah. I'll have to come back tonight.
Yes. You should see in the evening, in the nighttime.
Beautifully laid out helm.
A very modern and beautifully hand-out layout for the helm station. Also a very special Japanese style paper glass. So Lexus always like to bring in more Japanese culture image or spirit into their design. So this is part of it, like this.
Yeah, it's just so unique, but just so elegant and yet sporty at the same time.
And you can imagine how big this window is. If you compare me here, so that's the size of the window. Yeah. If we want to use more space on board, we can actually reduce this. But in order to bring the nature light into lower deck, so we have a big opening in this area. So we can totally use the lighting, nature lighting from the big window at the front windshield and bring them into the well.
Yeah, brilliant design.
Yes. So you see the open space there.
Please take us down.
Okay. If you're a Lexus fan, you can actually notice that we have more Lexus here. Each step is Lexus. And during the passway, we have microwave and the coffee machine here.
Wine fridge.
Yes. Before we go to the master cabin, we have washer and dryer hidden quietly, ready for function. This is the full beam master cabin.
What is the beam?
1811 inch, almost 19 inch. 19 feet, 5.7 meters somewhere. Again, a big window for nature lighting is
huge window.
A basic element. And we have a walk-in closet with all kinds of well-designed luxury space. And we have smoke in the mirror.
Somebody took a shower?
Bring the temperature back.
Yeah.
But and the height.
Lots of headroom.
Yeah, lots of headroom. Yeah. Other than the headroom, you see, we keep doing all the detail, like the sewing line in the ceiling. This line need to continuously going up and finish on in the top.
Yeah.
So we need to make sure every line is smoothly well done in the ceiling, also in the panel.
Beautiful. All the elements just so
It's more
the
car. It's
craftsmanship.
more car-like design, but this is a Lexus with cabins, a Lexus with fridge and dishwasher
You took the wheels off
and the
put it-
oven. Yeah, just no wheel, but carry more.
There you go.
So even in the master cabin, you have this lovely curved sofa, which is really difficult to do with all the 3D face change in every inch.
Yeah.
And this is a TV that you can electrically fold out and fold in. So the owner can watch the TV comfortably from the angle from the bed.
Beautiful. The lighting, I just love the lighting.
Yes. The lighting continue the design
Yeah.
from the salon, but with more detail like this. So this curve is something from here and just transform it to a simple shape to bring more lighting fixture.
And it just flows.
Yeah, just flow. This is the starboard guest cabin. It's a double bed with detail lighting, storage on top.
Actually, really spacious, lots of storage,
Yeah.
but the headroom is just
And the headroom is high.
massive. Yeah.
This is tall
Wow.
for a cozy small cabin.
Fit and finish is just spectacular.
Yes. This is a toilet for the guest cabin, also as a day head.
Love that.
Now we come to the VIP cabin. Yeah, the challenge will be this inner curve wall,
Yeah.
padded by vinyl, but again with all the Lexus line. Then we have nice design with the black and the hidden line LED lighting.
Yeah.
Behind the panel, bring you a very comfortable and luxurious feeling for the space. Also, we have a cute little cabinet for small stuff. TV here.
I would say, judging from the use of space too, you
Yeah.
also feel the
It's
Right.
it's
Yeah.
curved everywhere.
Yeah.
So it's not only looks good, but also challenging your detail of working.
absolutely
Yes,
beautiful and sweet.
yes.
So sporty.
And this is our number one,
This is how
very first one. So this is even harder for us.
Yeah.
We just launched the boat last week. We make a test and make sure everything's ready and
Okay.
make it ready for the show.
This is just so well done.
Yeah.
But I understand you already have 5 orders.
5
Okay.
orders.
5 orders. Wow. That's
I need to finish another 3
Yeah.
before end of the year. Yeah,
you're busy. You're
Yeah.
a busy man.
yeah. 3 hours in my shipyard now.
Wow.
Yes.
And Austin, you are in charge of the shipyard.
Yes. Yes. I also from beginning to work with Toyota Group from beginning to now. So a thick contract, all the drawings and photos we've been studying and discussing. It's a grand voyage, from beginning to now. We actually see the boat.
Sure. Well, it's quite a product.
I really like this space.
I love this space. Just
Right?
so light.
Nature lighting,
Yeah.
and then you have a big opening.
Yeah.
Really good. Thanks to the big glass here. This is
And what
huge.
we're looking at there is the
Yeah,
top
this
of
is the
the
huge
helm
glass.
windshield,
Yes.
which is just such a brilliant design.
Yes. Go see the flybridge.
Oh yeah, please.
Welcome to the flybridge.
Yeah.
Again, we have a very modern and nice design. It's the low helm. And imagine you can have very nice view from here. Totally open.
Spectacular view.
Yeah.
What is the bridge clearance on this? Do you know?
Oh, 8.5 meter. This is a tall boat.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
tall.
And then just like the sports car, we have this short windshield that
Yeah.
stop all this blowing wind. So this is just like a cockpit sports car. And next to the helm, we have the sunbeds for 2 here.
Lovely.
Yeah. And this is the new Lexus 680. The last version is 650. So we have actually the new design is the extension of the flybridge. So if you see this way, now we have much longer settee for more guests. table can be fold down, so for better access when you need it.
Just
So
a
now you have
massive settee.
massive settee here. This is new to the 680, which the last version, 650, we don't have. Visual design is not only the fiberglass paint in black, but also with the vinyl. Again, with all this sewing line detail like that.
Yeah.
So we continue the consistency of the design from main deck, lower deck, up to the flybridge.
Beautiful. I just can't get over
Sure.
the vision. Just so much.
Weather, oh, sunshine come out. This is also new for a wet bar. So a little bit barbecue here. Ice maker, storage.
You could easily fit with 15 people, it seems like.
So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10.
10
and then
people, yeah.
I think we have
Sure.
10, 12, 15 people easily here.
Yeah.
And with this table for out, everybody enjoy the barbecue, enjoy the meal. It's a lovely afternoon tea time.
Absolutely stunning. Can we move to the engine room and crew quarters?
Okay. Firstly, we have upper deck.
Beautiful.
Yes, everything is very well considered and well planned. We have this big U-shaped sofa. How many people we can have here?
Yeah.
With the big storage underneath, you can have big fender, lots of storage, about 1.2 meter deep under the cushion.
Wow.
For storage. Then we have a wet bar here with the barbecue ice maker. And this is the access to the crew cabin. So this is the electrical opening. Also, it's an access to the engine room, but we have another access from here. This board, we have the Volvo IPS 1350. It's 1,000 horsepower and an Onan generator. And we have a special equipment. This is the Mitsubishi gyro. Other than popular gyro, we have
Not your
Mitsubishi.
seakeeper.
Yeah, just like Seakeeper.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they are originally designed in Japan.
You don't think about it as you're coming down from the aft cockpit. You think it's going to be a much smaller engine room, but you've got all
Imagine, you don't expect the engine room with such height.
Absolutely.
Yes. So we have all the control here, inverter, automatic aircon, all the charger there, 2 cable master. Yes.
Really functional.
Yeah.
And you can get to everything.
Yes. We do everything very well thought. So the wiring everything is marked carefully with number and very neat arrangement. Here we go to the crew cabin, but we have lots of cushion stuff.
It's a wet day.
Wet day, yes.
And we walk around
The foredeck?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so from the side deck, we have recess box for the diesel. Yeah. So a nice engine room vent design, neat, follow the style of the whole boat.
Yeah.
To see how much we recess for the styling of exterior. Here you see more car design than the boat. So that makes this a very unique boat.
It is very unique, but
yeah,
it is a boat. The walkarounds
but it's like a car.
Yeah, the walkarounds are very wide. And
yeah, very wide,
very
and then
high.
lots of recess, curve, detail everywhere.
Yeah,
like a line like this. Normally you don't do that in the boat, and it's very difficult to make this line disappear. Here, it disappear somewhere here.
Yeah.
So that's the challenge when we make this fiberglass.
The craftsmanship is everywhere.
We have a small open window for the fresh air for the helms. Because of the raining, we didn't put a cushion on, but this is not a jacuzzi hot tub. This is a cushion.
Yes.
So you can have 6 people.
Sure. Just look at that windshield.
Look at this glass and the windshield and the natural light that you can enjoy in the boat.
And the sleek lines.
Yeah.
Just breathtaking.
Yes. So with the table, we have 2 more sunbed area here. This is the escape hatch from the VIP. Yeah.
Windlass is hidden up there.
Windlass hidden under a metallic cover.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have the faucet, you have the control. Yes. This is so like a car. They care so much about the design. So in a boat, it looks like you put the windlass here. It's normal. Yeah. It's nature.
Right.
But I think from the car design, they want to hide everything, keep the surface fluently and well designed.
Well, they successfully made something incredibly unique, but incredibly stylish.
Yes,
And
yes.
it's just a testament.
Look at this click. So with the water drop, the color and the light today, this is a brilliant
Really,
corner.
it really is.
Yeah, so the pop-up cleat with special design, special of the Lexus logo.
Well done.
This is nice shot. Yeah.
It is. It is just beautiful. Austin, this is absolutely breathtaking. The
Thank you.
Lexus 680.
680.
We can't thank you enough for getting us aboard on the Horizon Yachts Open House Day. This is hull number 1.
Yes.
And there are at least 5 more on the way this year, or
3 more on
3
this
more
year.
this year, but 5
And
more on the way.
yeah, more coming.
We are going to have more links to information on the Lexus 680. We are going to have more links to the Horizon website, links to
Yes.
your contact information.
Sure.
Leave comments for Austin. Leave comments for us. Let us know what you think. This is a breathtaking boat, and we can't thank you enough.
Thank you.
Okay.